We've arrived at the farm. Look around. So many animals are hiding in the shadows. Can you guess who they are? Come along with me. Let's play shadow guess. A fluffy blob on legs? Is that a walking pillow? It's a sheep. Sheep spend their day chewing grass. But when summer comes, the farmer gives them a haircut. Snip, snip. Their wool turns into cozy sweaters for us. Thank you, Mr. Sheep.
You're welcome. Stay warm, kids. Bye.
Big body, long horns. Is this a dinosaur in disguise? Nope, it's a cow. Cows love grass and give us fresh milk. Imagine this cow saying,
Ooh, enjoy the milk, kids. It helps you grow tall and strong.
Small round belly. Could it be a balloon with ears? It's a pig! Pigs roll in the mud to stay cool. It looks messy, but for pigs, it's like jumping into a swimming pool. Tiny body, skinny legs. Is it a dancing robot? Nope, it's a chicken. Chickens love to peck the ground, looking for food. Every morning, the rooster shouts to wake up the farm. Long face, tall body. Is that a unicorn missing its horn? It's a horse. Horses are gentle friends. Farmers care for them, and they often become part of the family. Pointy horns, tiny beard. Is this a mountain wizard? It's a goat. Goats are great climbers, even on rocky hills, and they're curious eaters. Sometimes they try to taste things that aren't even food.
Yum, yum. Uh-oh. Not so tasty. But yum, yum.
Round body, flat beak. Is it a floating toy? It's a duck. Ducks waddle on land, but swim like champions in water.
Quack, quack. Wanna swim with me?
Big round body, fan-shaped tail. Is it a feathered fan dancer? It's a turkey. Turkeys puff up their feathers and make a sound called gobble gobble. Only the males can do it.
Look at my feathers, kids. It's beautiful, right?
Long ears, tiny nose. Is it a hopping mystery? It's a rabbit. Rabbits use their strong back legs to hop far and fast. Their ears help them hear danger quickly. Floppy ears, wagging tail. Is it the farm's guard hero? It's a dog! Farm dogs protect animals and bark to warn the farmer. They're also loyal friends who love to play. Long neck, webbed feet. Is it a noisy parade leader? It's a goose! Geese honk loudly and march in groups. They stick together and help guide each other. Big ears, strong body. Is it a farm helper? It's a donkey. Donkeys carry heavy loads and walk with steady steps. Slow maybe, but never giving up. Pointy ears, sneaky pose. Is it a quiet shadow? It's a cat! Farm cats sneak around to catch mice. They're quiet hunters who keep the barn safe. Small head, wide wings. Is it a flying letter? It's a pigeon. Pigeons always find their way back home, even from far away. That's why they were once used to carry messages.
Hold on, kids. We're stopping by the farm. Can you see the red barn over there?
Today we're visiting the farm. Wow, it's so big. Fields, barns, and so many animals. Let's walk around and see who we can find first. It's a duck. Ducks spend their days swimming, walking, and flapping around. Their feathers are special. Water rolls right off, so they never get soaked. That's why you'll always see them calm, even on a rainy day. It's a turkey! Turkeys have really sharp eyes. They can see more colors than we can. And when the boys open their feathers wide, they look so proud, like they're showing their best clothes to everyone on the farm. It's a chick. Chicks are tiny and curious. They follow their mother everywhere, learning what to eat and where to hide. They'll peck at anything that moves. It's a donkey. Donkeys are strong, gentle helpers on the farm. They carry heavy baskets and walk carefully, step by step. And when they call out, it's usually to check if their friends are close by. It's a cat. Cats love to nap in warm spots and watch everything from far away. But when night comes, they start their job, keeping mice away from the farmer's food. That's why cats are quiet, clever, and always watching. It's a goose. Geese walk in lines like little guards on patrol. They're loud when something strange comes near, and they never miss a thing. It's a mouse! Mice may be small, but they're quick and smart. They can fit through tiny holes and find food in the smallest places. But on this farm, they'd better watch out. The cat knows every hiding spot. It's a cow! Cows moo when they want food or when they call each other. Sometimes the whole field goes moo, like everyone singing together. It's a pig. Pigs oink when they're happy, especially in the mud. For pigs, mud is not dirty. It's a swimming pool. It's a rooster. Roosters crow to say good morning. But sometimes they do it too early, even when it's still dark. It's a horse. Horses neigh to talk to friends across the farm. It's like they're shouting, "Hey, I'm over here!" It's a sheep! Sheep baa to stay together. If one sheep gets lost, it will keep calling until the others answer back. It's a goat! Goats make funny maa sounds, especially when they want food. They will try to taste almost anything. It's a dog. Farm dogs bark to guard the animals, but sometimes they bark just because they want to play. Friends! We've met so many farm animals already, but have you ever looked really close? Some animals are tiny. Some come out only at night.
Exactly! They can be really hard to spot sometimes.
Wow! Then let's zoom in and see what secrets the farm still keeps. This fuzzy yellow and black texture, tiny wings, what could it be? It's a bee. Bees may be small, but they do big work. They help flowers and crops grow by carrying pollen from one plant to another. Without bees, the flowers wouldn't grow well, and the farm would have fewer fruits. Smooth green skin with tiny drops of water still resting on it. Can you guess who it belongs to? It's a frog. Frogs love ponds and puddles. They keep the farm clean by eating insects that bother the animals and plants. They might be small, but they make a big difference. Soft feathers, golden eyes. Who's watching quietly from the barn roof? It's an owl. While everyone sleeps, the owl stays awake. It guards the barn and hunts the mice that sneak in for food. The owl's quiet work helps keep the farm safe and peaceful. Bright feathers filled with tiny dots of color, almost like painted eyes. It's a peacock! Some farms keep peacocks not just for their beauty, but because they warn others when something strange comes near. And when they open their feathers, it's like the farm's very own parade. A round, spiral shell, sliding slowly on a leaf. It's a snail! Snails come out after rain, carrying their homes on their backs. They move slowly, but never stop, reminding us that patience can take you far. Thin wings folded tight and tiny claws gripping a branch, sleeping quietly in the daylight. It's a bat! Bats sleep during the day and wake at night to eat mosquitoes and bugs that fly around the farm. Even when no one sees them, they're helping keep the animals safe. Spiky back, tiny nose, and quiet steps under the bushes. It's a hedgehog! Hedgehogs eat worms and snails that harm the plants. They might look prickly, but they're gentle little helpers who keep the garden healthy. Every corner of the farm has its own secret helpers. Some buzz, some crawl, and some only wake when it's dark. Even the smallest creatures make a big difference.
And now, it's time for another animal spotlight. Number 2, the mountain goat. Wait, what's going on up there? Who's climbing that cliff?
Almost there. I need that shiny rock down there. It's full of yummy salt.
Be careful! That rock looks loose.
Wow. Ooh, oof. Phew. I almost fell. That was super scary.
That was close. But for goats, climbing isn't just for fun, it's how they survive. Meet the mountain goat, one of the best climbers on earth. They live high up where almost no other animal dares to go. Each step must be careful because one mistake could mean a long fall.
Goat, my hooves are sticky. See? They help me stand, even on tiny rocks.
Those hooves aren't really sticky, of course, but they have soft pads that grip like rubber shoes, helping goats balance on narrow ledges just a few centimeters wide.
Hee hee, it's like mountain shoes. Now I can reach my snack.
Up here, food is hard to find. Goats climb cliffs to reach plants and minerals that help them stay healthy.
Salty rock. Tastes funny, but good.
Scientists say goats lick mineral rocks for salt. It keeps their bodies strong and healthy in harsh mountain air.
Climbing is hard, but it feels nice when I make it.
From danger to reward, the goat's climb shows us something special. That courage and balance can take you anywhere.
And that's why I climb every day.
Strong, steady, and brave. The goat is today's animal spotlight.